Hello everyone, welcome back to Makan Sehat Diabetes. Today we're going to explore three of the best vegetables for people with diabetes. Vegetables that can help naturally lower and stabilize blood sugar levels. If you or your loved ones are interested in staying healthy, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on more useful tips on nutrition for people with diabetes. As you may already know, a healthy diet plays a crucial role in managing diabetes. And green vegetables not only provide essential fiber and vitamins, but also help regulate blood sugar levels effectively. So, what are the top three vegetables recommended for people with diabetes? Let's jump right in and find out together. Number 3, broccoli. Taking the third spot on our list is broccoli, one of the most nutrient-packed vegetables you can include in your diet, especially if you're managing diabetes. Broccoli is exceptionally rich in dietary fiber, which plays a crucial role in stabilizing blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream. This helps prevent sudden spikes and crashes in blood sugar after meals. But what makes broccoli truly stand out is its high content of sulforaphane, a powerful plant compound known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Studies have shown that sulforaphane can not only reduce inflammation in the body, which is often a contributing factor to insulin resistance, but also assist in lowering blood sugar levels after eating. In addition to its health benefits, broccoli is also incredibly versatile in the kitchen. To preserve its valuable nutrients, it's best to cook broccoli by steaming, boiling briefly, or stir-frying with a small amount of healthy oil like olive oil. These cooking methods help retain the vegetable's natural flavor, texture, and nutrient content, making it a delicious and beneficial addition to any diabetic-friendly meal plan. Number 2, spinach. Next, at number 2 on our list is spinach, also known as baby spinach or leaf spinach in some places. This leafy green vegetable is a powerhouse of nutrients while being very low in calories and carbohydrates, making it an excellent choice for people with diabetes. Spinach is particularly rich in potassium, magnesium, and vitamin K, three essential nutrients that play a vital role in maintaining overall health and managing diabetes. Potassium helps balance sodium levels in the body and supports healthy blood pressure, while magnesium is known to improve insulin sensitivity and assist with blood sugar control. Vitamin K also contributes to better cardiovascular health, which is especially important for individuals with diabetes who are at higher risk of heart-related complications. One of spinach's standout features is its high fiber content. Fiber is essential in a diabetic-friendly diet because it helps slow down the digestion and absorption of sugars from food, resulting in a more gradual rise in blood sugar levels after meals. Spinach can be enjoyed raw in salads, blended into smoothies, sautéed lightly, or added to soups and stir-fries, making it both a versatile and health-supportive addition to your daily meals. Number 1, bitter melon. And taking the number 1 spot on our list today is bitter melon, also known as bitter gourd or Mamortica carrantia in scientific terms. This unique vegetable has been used for centuries in traditional medicine across Asia, Africa, and the Caribbean for its impressive ability to naturally lower blood sugar levels. What makes bitter melon particularly valuable for people with diabetes is its high content of two powerful bioactive compounds, charenton and polypeptide P. These natural plant chemicals have blood glucose lowering effects that closely resemble the action of insulin produced by the human body. They work by promoting the uptake of glucose into the cells and improving insulin sensitivity, which helps keep blood sugar levels stable throughout the day. Bitter melon can be prepared in several ways. It's commonly added to soups, stir-fried with garlic and lean protein, or even juiced and consumed as a daily tonic. While its slightly bitter taste might take a little getting used to, many people find it worthwhile for the remarkable health benefits it offers, especially in supporting healthy blood sugar control naturally and effectively. And there you have it, the top 3 best vegetables for people with diabetes. Remember, it's important to combine a balanced diet, regular physical activity, and routine blood sugar checks to keep your health in check and manage diabetes effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Makan Sehat Diabetes, and share it so more people can benefit from this information. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.